Business starts when an entrepreneur falls in love with a market need that he has identified to satisfy. If the need is not satisfied as per the market expectations, the business just ends there as a small affair. In short, it does not translate into a prolonged marriage. When the needs of the market are well responded, the business moves ahead to the next level, which is called infancy stage. There, the need of the business is cash. This is because of the simple fact that more cash flows are required to manage the day-to-day working of the business. If the cash needs are not satisfied, the business fails to take off, which is called infant mortality. Over a period of time, when the business grows with better customer need response and better cash flows, it reaches to another level called the go-go stage. Here, the need of the business is sales as well as market share. The go-go stage is where most of the companies and family-owned businesses are stuck, that too for years or decades. This stage is also called the founder's trap, as the business is wanting to expand with the active participation of the founder or founders, but much beyond him or them. At this challenging stage of business life cycle, we help family-owned companies to come out of founder's trap and progress further. Once the needs of the go-go stage are satisfied properly, the business reaches the adolescence stage of the life cycle. The primary need here is profits apart from all other needs. If enough profits are not generated, there is divorce, the family-owned business falls apart, many heads roll out at this stage. The prime stage of business is where all the relevant needs are satisfied through different stages, and eventually we have an organization which has good sales and good profits. We would like to add a word of caution. The needs discussed for each stages are the primary needs. There can be overlapping of needs and also multiple needs at each stage of business life cycle. The business, which was founded by an entrepreneur or a family, is now a professionally managed organization with or without his presence as an important stakeholder of the company. The challenge here is to grow the family-owned business to the prime stage without losing control and yet achieving the highest levels of professionalism. At the prime stage, the organizations need to protect the gains or its empire. If it fails to do so, the fall starts, and two primary reasons for the fall of the empire are aristocracy and bureaucracy. Aristocracy is attitude and behavior of the company which is not mindful of losing small battles. However, eventually, small battles only win or lose big wars. Whereas, bureaucracy is having power without responsibility or values. Here too, we would like to provide a word of caution. The two prime factors leading to end business life cycle may also be seen during early stages of life cycle. Let us lead the business to its prime and sustain there. HMV Consulting. Strategize. Sustain growth.